Hi Cancer, welcome back to Omkara Tarot and to another love read. Cancer, these are general collective readings, will not resonate with all of you. Please keep that in mind. Take what works for you, leave the rest. And Cancer, let's see now what's going on with you, what's going on with your person, and what action we can expect in this connection. So let's begin. My angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for Cancer and send them the messages they need to hear the most right now. Thank you. All right, Cancer, let's start your reading. Welcome back, all my subscribers. Thank you for being here again. And Cancer, if you're new here, we welcome you as well. Do join us, subscribe to the channel, become part of us. We welcome you in. So Cancer, newbies, I'm setting down these two sets of cards here. One side will be for you, one side will be for your person, and in the center I'll have your dialogue message cards, action cards, etc. But for the duration of the reading, Cancer, for me this is going to be one side, side A, and this is going to be side B. I'm reading just two energies. If this is your storyline, you'll know which side you resonate best with, right? So person A and person B. Bottom of my deck, I have the Three of Swords in reverse, Cancer. Somebody wants to heal something, some broken heart here. Let's see what that is all about. All right, from what I feel here, let me take a look at the cards. You guys have been through some kind of a tower moment. And there are people upset here. Somebody feels things have really stagnated, not being able to take action, or maybe they feel their person is very selfish or self-centered. But the other person, I do see they want to end the fight now. There's still a lot of passion between the both of you. At least one person is feeling it hell of a lot. So before I clarify all these cards, Cancer, let's start with some dialogue message cards. Let's see if you guys could say something to each other, what that would be, and then we clarify the rest of the cards. Cancer and their person, spirit. Cancer and their person, if they could say something to each other now, what would that be? And Cancer, if any of you are looking for a personal reading, my email is in the description box below. You can reach me there. Cancer and their person. All right. Cancer, I'm going to take a few more from another deck and then we'll start your reading. Cancer and their person, spirit, if they could say something to each other. Cancer and their person. Cancer and their person. One more. Thank you. All right, Cancer, good to go. Let's start our reading. The first card here says, I'm having a hard time believing that you really love me. When I said I love you forever, I meant it. I keep hearing songs and it always reminds me of you and I. I don't feel threatened by the karmics anymore. They're just playing their role. You may not be perfect, but you're perfect for me. Giving up and leaving just seems so much easier than to deal with any more pain. I have anger issues I'm working on. I thought the grass was going to be greener on the other side, but it wasn't. I have a need to always be right. Sorry, I gave you a hard time. I pray for you all the time and I do healing work on your behalf. So Cancer, these were some of your messages. If these are resonating with you, let's start your reading. I'm going to start with an angel blessing card as always. Let's see what my angels have for you, then we'll do the clarifications. My angels, what do you have for my Cancer gang? Blessing, guidance, advice, or a message? Activist. Somebody wants to take action here, Cancer, even though things may be feeling very stagnant. Things could be stuck at the moment. Maybe somebody has anger issues, could have said something, but I think somebody is ready now to take action. At least they want to. Or maybe a need for action is required. to get this connection going back, in the flow. So let's see. So I'm going to start with the energy of person A, Cancer. Now I don't know which side you're on. You will know if this is your reading, right? So let's start with person A, then we'll move on to person B. Person A has the Knight of Pentacles, feels the Knight of Pentacles in reverse, which is feeling very stagnant, feeling things have really halted here. Why is that, Spirit? Why does person A feel like that? Why does person A feel like that at Cancer? Why does person A feel like that, Spirit? Okay. Person A. Things seem to have maybe ended. Maybe people are holding back. Somebody was a little stingy here, didn't want to share or give. There could be silence between the two of you. Things must be feeling like, there's no action being taken, there's silence here, there's holding back going on, and person A could be feeling, hey, is this over? Or is it time to call it quits here? Why? Because there's a King of Wands in reverse. Now this could be your partner, person A, who could have like anger issues, or maybe a bit selfish. It could be a bit self-centered, not making a decision. Yes, the minute I said decision, here it comes. Standing here at crossroads, never, telling person A whether we're going left or we're going right, and not wanting to make a decision. So I think person A is kind of seeing their partner like this. Like, why aren't you taking action? You're being selfish, self-centered. You're supposed to be taking an action, and here you are with your blindfolds on. And I'm feeling a little rejected, demotivated, and maybe it's time to walk away. Walking away seems easier than waiting for you to make a decision one day. So what happened, Spirit, in the recent past for person A to be feeling all these things? Hanged Man. I think person A was waiting for a very long time till some communication happened. This could have turned into a little bit of an argument, a bit of a fight, and person A, I think, finally realized that, hey, if person B is never going to give me that respect, give me that position in their life, then I think it's time for me to release this toxic person from my life. If they're going to behave in such a toxic manner, then I think it's better that I release them. It may have made person A very angry and very upset as well. Yes, this could have been a nasty fight, Cancer. Look at this. Knight of Swords in reverse and the Five of Swords. This is like somebody saying my way or the highway, and I'm the boss, and trying to play mind games with somebody. So this kind of a scenario could have happened where I think person A felt very disrespected. And because they felt disrespected, they also felt very angry, maybe started suspecting their person of having some toxicity in their life, and may have come to a conclusion to say, I think I'm clear, it's time now to release this, person or circumstance from my life. So Ace of Swords, Spirit, what happened here? Ace of Swords, what was the clarity that came to person A? What was this communication about? About somebody didn't offer long-term stability, and that may have made person A feel very rejected and dejected and sad. I think person A finally came to the clarity to say, hey, I'm not fighting for this connection anymore. I'm ready to call it quits. So how does person A now feel about the connection, Spirit? Person A feels that everything has kind of blown apart after this fight. It's been a huge tower moment which has kind of disrupted this connection now. I think heart of hearts, they still do love their partner, but they feel the partner is very emotionally manipulative, never really opens up. This is what the person A is trying to manifest. They want somebody to be stable, somebody to offer, somebody to be open, to take responsibility. But they feel, my person, I know heart of hearts, they love me, but what's the point if they're never going to open up, they're never going to show their cards. So, Magician, Spirit? Magician? I think heart of hearts person A could still be still be in a little bit of waiting mode. I think they are trying to manifest some kind of communication still from person B. They could be quietly spying on them, maybe watching tarot readings or checking their social media or something. One more card, Spirit, for how person A sees this connection. I think person A is quite regretful, I think, about this argument or fight as well. They feel bad that this connection has been disrupted, because I do feel there is love here. They do in their heart of hearts, they do love person B, and they actually just wanted them to step up. So they are quite sad and regretful about why this delay has come, why this argument happened, hoping that some message may come sooner or later, or there can be some action again, but not saying or doing anything themselves. They could be quietly waiting and watching and keeping an eye open for maybe a text to come in or to hear something about person B. So what action person A will take, I'll open later. Cancer. Cancer. For a second I got confused. Let's go on to the other side and see how person B is doing. Person B is feeling the Seven of Wands in reverse. I think they do want this fight to end as well. Seven of Wands in reverse, Spirit, for person B. Yes, they are very confused about how to take action. They want this fight to end, and they want to return. I'll show you the cards here. They want this fight to end. They want these barriers to be put down. They're very, very confused as to how to take action and how to return back to a place with person A once again. Person B does have a lot of passion still for person A. Ace of Wands, Spirit. Why are they feeling the Ace of Wands? Look at the amount of passion, my God. This person still has a lot of passion. If they had their way, they would break gates and doors and, come right back to person A. Their passion is like consuming them at the moment, but they're a little confused as to how to get back into the good books of person. Yes, they consider person A to be their sunshine, their happiness. They know where their happiness lies, and it's with person A. It lights them up, totally lights them up, and their passion and their drive all comes back with person A. But the little bit of confusion is there, because I think this is what happened in the recent past, according to them. There was some conflict where I think they made their person very upset and angry with them. Am I right, Spirit? What happened in the recent past with the Queen of Wands in reverse? Something they did, something person B did, maybe broke a promise, or maybe they were selfish or a little self-centered, probably left person A out in the cold. They did something which was unethical. I don't know what, so many of you will have different stories, but person A does feel, I broke a promise which I shouldn't have. I was selfish and I was self-centered. I did do something which kind of made us both be separated. And they know that their person could be very upset and angry with them because of whatever behavior they portrayed. And which led to this conflict, the Six of Swords. Six of Swords, Spirit, in reverse. I think they were being a bit egoistic or a bit prideful. Maybe their person could have wanted to request for some clarity or some stability or a talk of the future, but the worst part is I think person B wanted the same thing. Maybe the ego and pride came into it. I think both of you did want the same thing. It just ended a beautiful connection because of this argument or fight. From what I'm feeling here, Cancer, this ending will probably lead to a brand new beginning which will be better than the way you guys left it at. Let's see. How does person B now feel about this connection, Spirit? The Empress in reverse. They feel that person is upset and angry and has already ended the connection with them, does not want to grow with them anymore, and does not want to have anything to do with them anymore. They feel that this Empress has now put up their barriers and has totally shut them out. So, Ten of Pentacles, Spirit in reverse. Oh, it's really burdening them. They're feeling, my God, this was my person. This is the person who is beautiful, who's loving, who's kind, intuitive, the person who could give me so much love. But now they feel because of this tower, my God, same place, same position. They feel whatever tower has erupted now, this Empress has now removed her love, is no longer giving me love, maybe is into self-love or something. They've taken some time out to reflect on why this tower erupted, what happened, and whatever they are figuring out, I think is really burdening person B as well. They are very, very, very stressed out because they feel they've lost their chance now for a Ten of Pentacles. In their mind, they think that this Empress is now blocking them and doesn't want them anymore. So what actions will you guys take now? Person A and person B. Before I open these cards, if you guys are still here, that means it's resonating. If you can just click that like button, it helps the videos to circulate even more and help many more. Thank you so much. And newbies, don't forget to subscribe. If you're still here, I'll see you again on Friday for your love bite. So person A, the action they intend to take is the Queen of Pentacles. What's that, Spirit? Why is that an action? From person A's end? Okay, I think person A is kind of keeping themselves to themselves. They've gone into a little bit of a hermit mode. They could be totally concentrated on becoming the best version of themselves for themselves. Maybe concentrating on their money, on their stability. Maybe in the past they waited for person B to give them this, right? They wanted person B to come into their life and make them a Queen of Pentacles and the perfect spouse where you guys would have stability and happiness together. But it was rejected maybe, or there was a fight regarding it. I think right now, because of all this inner work that person A has done or is still doing maybe, it's enlightening them to a fact that, hey, you know, I can build a life for myself, and this time I'm going to be stable and secure within myself instead of pinning all my hopes on somebody else to come and make me feel happy. So this is what person A is doing. Person B, will you take any action? Here they come. Here they come, heart open, emotional, love offer. This is what they intend to do. Knight of Cups, Spirit, for Cancer or person B. Okay, one more. They're feeling very, very foolish about the way they've behaved. And now, yes, this person is very disappointed that that new beginning never happened. Their heart chakra is open. They are wondering now how to bring this love offer to person A, or how to apologize. They're in deep contemplation because they feel they've lost a big cup of love in their life. This person is not sure whether they're going to get another chance, a new beginning, because they've made some foolish decisions in their life. But I do feel they may just try and come forward with a text or a message or some flirtation, just to kind of test person A to see whether person A is still happy, or to hear from them. So will you take this action, person B, or are you just thinking about it? Knight of Cups. Yes, they want to come and at least clear the air. And they're going to come in a nice way. This is not coming in like the Knight of Swords and rushing into fight again. This is coming with, hey, I still do care for you. Can we talk? Okay, so that's the action person B would like to take. There is a lot of love here, Cancer, and somebody does want to return. Somebody does want to return. So expect some action very soon. And I'll see you again on Friday. Till then, love and light. Take care. Namaste.